Let's replace the wheel bearing on this 2017 Chevy Volt. First, let's remove the ABS sensor. We're gonna remove this 10mm bolt, and we're gonna remove the ABS sensor using a plier like this. Twist it back and forth until it come out. And number 2 is to remove the caliper bolt here. It is a 15mm. We're gonna take the bolt off to take out the caliper bracket and the caliper as an assembly with the pad. Alright, and there it is. We're gonna set it aside like this. And now we're gonna remove the brake rotor within the screw. It is a T30, but first let's tap the rotor with a hammer like this so we can take the rust off. There it is. And now we're gonna put some penetrating fluid on the wheel bearing bolt. It's 4 of them. Now let's take the bolt off. We're gonna use a ratchet to break the bolt free and finish it up with our electric ratchet. They are 15mm. And I'm gonna use this swivel here to access the other bolt. There you go. So the same thing for the top bolt. Perfect. Use the old wheel bearing. Just a heads up, sometimes those sensors don't like coming out. I would suggest you get a new one just in case. You have to replace it. I ended up replacing it anyway because they got stuck in the knuckle. And now you see me cleaning the knuckle here so I can install the new bearing and use the new one. Make sure they line up and put the bolt in. It uses the torque spec here for the bolt. And now you see me reinstall the sensor. It is a brand new one. Put the connector in. That's it. And pretty much thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.